2008 Honda Civic. So before that, I just want to say good morning. Good morning to all of you. And what we are going to do with this car is we'll be replacing the power steering pump, because it was leaking so bad, and it's losing power steering fluid after a few weeks. So over here underneath, let me just show it to you before we start. Right here, see that leak right there? That's the power steering pump. So the first thing that we need to do is first we'll be removing the fluid, power steering fluid over here. We'll be using my portable 12-volt pump. Okay, let's vacuum the old fluid. Right. Here. And let's press the switch. Okay, let's pump it. That's it. Nice. Alright, so the next step that we need to do is go underneath the car, and at the rear, see the oil filter right here going in here. It's really tough to show it here, but right there there's like the connection of hoses right there. We can use, I think I can, okay. You can use Milwaukee ratchet. So there's like three bolts in the gun here in the then one over here. Let's remove that. One in the top. Okay. Ooh, it's leaking oil. Oh boy, hold on. Alright, so over here, right there, this is the one that we will remove. Then there's one more connection. It's already loosened. It's really hard to show it to you. It's somewhere over there on the top of this connection. Okay, so again, alright, so the next thing we need to do is to remove the belt. So I'm using my special tools for removing the belt, you know, this one. So it's number 19. Then twist it backwards, then just remove the belt. Okay, so now let's move the number, I think it's number 12. Yeah, it's number 12. So underneath, right there. Where's that? So this is my Okay, in order to remove the second bolt on the top, you have to remove this to gain access. So it's getting tighter and tighter in here. Where's that thing? Alright, so let's remove this. I think we just need to remove this one. Then we can see the bolt somewhere there. Okay, I think I can see the bolt. I think it's number 12. Okay, hold on. So it's really tough to show it to you, but I'm using number 12 socket and then a long ratchet. Now then, there you go. Let's do perfect. Okay, release. Alright, I think you have to remove, it's better also to remove the one on here, because that's the one, the bracket, so you got you know, leverage. So that's the old one, it's all leaking. Okay. Right there. Okay, that's the new one. Super clean compared to this one. Okay, let's put it on. Okay, let's put the new one. Okay, start at the bottom.
Trabaho ko niya na eh. Tagal ka ba? Mas malita ka sa akin.
Alright, so everything is installed. So it's really hard to show it here, but install it. You put on genuine power steering fluid. Let's start the car. Alright, let's start the car. Okay.
Basta sibol. Bos.
Ito na. This one quart, no 350 ml. Ikot-ikot naman dito ako nito ilagaw. Oops. Oops, hold on Joe, hold on. Diba? Ikasya mo. Otherwise, oh, that's it. There you go. Done. So we finished one 350 ml and then maybe 1/3 or 1/4